Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to create ticket in Zoho Desk. If you manage customer support for a business, using a ticketing system helps you organize requests, track issues, and respond to customers more efficiently. One of the most popular help desk platforms for this is Zoho Desk. It allows teams to manage support tickets from email, chat, forms, and other channels all in one place. First, open your browser and go to the Zoho Desk website. Sign into your account on Zoho Desk. Once you log in, you'll land on the Zoho Desk dashboard, where you can see your support tickets, departments, and customer interactions. At the top of the Tickets page, look for the Add Ticket button. Click this button to open the Ticket Creation form. This form allows you to manually create a new support request in the system. The first section of the ticket form usually asks for contact information. You'll need to enter details such as customer name, email address, phone number. If the contact already exists in the system, Zoho Desk may automatically suggest the contact from your database. This helps keep customer records organized. Now enter a subject line for the ticket. The subject should briefly describe the issue. Examples include login problem, payment issue, account access request, product question. A clear subject helps support teams quickly understand the issue. Below the subject line, you'll find the description field. This is where you explain the issue in detail. Include as much relevant information as possible. The more detailed the description, the easier it is for the support team to resolve the ticket. Next, you can configure the ticket settings. Common options include priority, low, medium, high, urgent. Status, open, pending, on hold, closed. Setting the correct priority helps teams address critical issues faster. If the ticket requires additional information, you can attach files. Once all the information is entered, click Submit. The ticket will now appear in your ticket dashboard. From there, the assigned support agent can respond, update the status, and communicate with the customer. By filling in the contact details, selecting the correct department, adding a clear subject, and describing the issue, you can quickly create and manage customer support requests in Zoho Desk. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.